So, May garden tool. This is the stand we're going to plan to grow pole beans on this year, but they're not there yet. It's already got kind of sunny on the lettuce, which now it's finally got some rain, but so we are covering some old lace curtains to just give it a little bit of shade and hopefully help with the heat and keep it growing and not bolting and be able to harvest some more. And then here we have some peas and onions, and those onions are all pretty much grown from onion ends we just saved and stuck out here to grow green onions. When you cut the onion up and you don't want it a little bit in root end. Some peas that are just starting to bloom, and cucumber's going to go here. And this is the other garden up front, and it's going to have some onions in it, like I was saying earlier, and it's going to have some tomatoes back here on the plant and some peppers in here. That is a yellow pear heirloom tomato. We'll be trying that this year. And we have a couple tomatoes in here again, like we tried last year. Some chives and oregano, and that is our reptile pile of rocks trying to encourage reptiles to eat our garden pests. Garden section 2, this is our other lettuce bed, which is now bolting, but we're trying to get as much of it out of it as we can before we have to pull it all up. The system you see here was because we had clear plastic over it and kept it growing all winter. And then radishes, carrots, and onions here. We're trying to kind of run onions around the outsides in hopes of discouraging the deer. We didn't have a whole lot of problems last year that we've had in past years, so we're trying to see what we can do about that. The radishes are really coming in well. I got some tomatoes and squash planted. The random coverings on them are to keep them from getting eaten while they're small, or the deer bothering them or something. And we have some potatoes and onions growing real well here already. And that's some mint we dug up because we didn't want it spreading. And then the lower, bigger garden, move some oregano here onto the edge. Once again, just trying to deter the deer. We're hoping to get a deer fence up, but probably not this year. So we just thought, well, anything we can do to discourage. And then some onions down there, and the rest of the potatoes left over we had down there. And some squash and tomatoes planted again here. And then down there we really haven't got planted yet. Need to get some more weeding done, some more holes dug, and hopefully plant it up soon. This is our new addition this year to our garden, our greenhouse we got from Aldi, and it seems to be doing quite well. And this is cool rainy day, so we're keeping all of our seed stocks in here today. We're also trying to go on the deck on buckets again this year, and kept this alive all winter under the bed box out here.